Hello friends, welcome to Abhyanvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to parse the JSON data. Okay, so this is the source data I loaded from the server. So I got the data like this. So there are four columns. On the column four, we have JSON data. So how to parse the JSON data and split it to the different columns with the key values, right? So here it says category, it says like dictionaries, right? So this category type is the key, city is the key, and we want to get keys in the column headers, then the values in the columns. Okay, so to pass the JSON data, select the column. Okay, right click and go to transform and click on JSON. Okay, so you'll get the records. Okay, so if you see what are the values in these records, so these are the columns. Okay, all key values. These are all key values. Okay, if you select key values and load it, then it will get those column headers and the values in that key values. So for example, I am loading all key values, then you will get data like this. Okay, so here category type is dining and other two are blank. Okay, so like this it will load all the data. City is the Mumbai, location is all. And if you come at the this column here, journey type is return. Okay, so there is no journey type for first row and third row, that's why this is null. Okay guys, for example, if you see here, category type is dining for first row, and second row and third row there is no category type, that's why it's displayed as null. Okay guys, so hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi tutorials for more such amazing Power BI videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.